Hello guys, welcome to Guni Tech Solutions. In case you're joining us for the first time, my name is Abdullah Isani and I'm the CEO of Guni Tech Solutions. So today, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert a full functional e-commerce website to mobile application, and this doesn't only restrict is not only restricted to e-commerce website. You can follow this same process to convert any kind of website that you have both online and offline to mobile applications. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, I already have a full functional e-commerce website that we will be converting into mobile application. So you can see this is the e-commerce website that we'll be using. Of course, an e-commerce website is just a site where users will come and make order of product, any kind of product that they are interested in. Then of course they will make the payment online, the order, and of course their product will get delivered to them. Okay, so this is the full functional website that we will be converting into mobile application. You can see how beautiful this how amazing this site is. This site also have multilingual, that is, users can come and um, change the languages to suit their own taste. Like you can see, I just converted the complete website content to Arabic. That is, if the user doesn't understand English, he can pick up any kind of language he wants to switch the entire website to. Alright, so let's change this to Hausa to see how it works. You can see the complete content of the website have been transformed from English to Hausa. So let's take it back to default English. So also we also have the WhatsApp button here. This is where users can directly communicate with the owner of the website. Okay, so that being said, so let's see how to convert this entire e-commerce website to mobile applications, and we're going to do this in a very simple step, and it's going to be free. Okay, so so we need to add up a new tab and go to webintoapp.com. So just hit enter. This is the website that will be doing the magic for us. Okay, Webinto App is a platform where you can convert your website that is offline or online to mobile applications in a simple step. Okay, so first thing first, here when you get to webintoapp.com, you need to register, or if you already have an account, then you need to log in. So first thing first, we're going to register an account with them. So I'll click on register, then I'll follow this simple process. Of course, my name is Abdullah Isani, so I'm going to use a different mail. So .com, I'll just change this mail to this one. Okay, so Abdullah 1254. So I'll create a password. So you can create a very simple password that you can use for this purpose. So we need to confirm this same password. Okay, alright, so just click on I'm not a robot, then you register. So after successful registration, yes, so it means we've actually registered. Now next step is what? Just click on make app. It's already there, but in case it is not selected, just select maker. Click on maker. Then here there are two options. We have online URL and HTML file. So this is where you're going to pick one option. If you already have a full functional website that is online, just like what we have here, just like the Egg Dojo that we have here, what you need to do is just copy the URL, then you go back to make app. So this is where you'll be dropping the URL. Just paste the URL here. It's advisable for you to copy and paste, not to type it. Okay, so I've dropped the URL. In case you are using the offline version, all you need to do is you need to zip up the complete file of your website, then you select, instead of online URL, you select HTML files. Okay, so but in this case, in this tutorial, I'm using the URL of the finished developed website. Okay, So next is you need to give your app a name. So in this case, the name of the app is going to be Egg Dojo. So I'll give it Egg Dojo. So this is the name of my app. Of course, the major version is I'll leave it on 1. The minor version, I'll leave it on 0. So this is like 1.0. At least this is the first app that I'm making for this website. So what is the name of the company or brand? So I'll just give it Egg Dojo. Egg Dojo. I'll maintain Egg Dojo. Then package name, just leave it as default. Okay, so when you're done with that, just click on next. Alright, so you can see we have app name Egg Dojo, then source, of course, the URL that you assign. Then one important thing here, we have icon. It said set icon. Icon is like the mobile icon. That is what you want users to see whenever they install the app. Okay, so when we click on this set icon, of course we don't have an icon for now. So what we'll be doing now is we're going to create an icon for this app. So I'll quickly go to the website and maybe download this logo. So this is the logo that I'll be using. So I'll just click on save as. I'll save it on desktop, Egg Dojo, select it. So we need to create the app icon or app logo. So for us to do that, I'll just use a tool called Fireworks. Fireworks is what we'll be using to create this app logo. Now the recommendation size, the size recommendation for this app logo is actually 512 by 512 pixels. Okay, so I'll be using this Fireworks. In case you need this software, just send me hi. I'll share the software with you guys. So the name of the software is actually Fireworks. So just go to file, then under file select new. So of course the height and width need to be on 512 by 512. So just click on OK. Now this is the exact size that will be acceptable for that site icon. So I'll reduce, I'll zoom in just to have everything in a better view. So I'm going to import that logo now that I just downloaded. So I'll go to file, then click on import. Then after you click on import, you need to navigate to desktop to pick up that logo that we just downloaded to the desktop. So this is the logo, Egg logo. Click on open. Now you need to just click and drag over. I need to reduce the size. Yes, so I think this is okay. Select everything, right click and click on group. Yes, so now we need to export this from Fireworks to the desktop. So just click on file, then you go to image preview, then click on export. Of course we're going to leave it on desktop, so I'll navigate to desktop, then I'll give it a name, app. I'll just give it app underscore logo. So I'll save it on my desktop. I'll just click on export. So let's go back to the web into app website. So now we'll click on set icon. We've gotten the icon already, so click on set icon, then navigate to desktop. From desktop we have where is the logo? This is the app logo that we just made using Fireworks. So I'll select it, then I'll click on open. You can see the icon has been imported. Alright, so next is I think that will be it. Next is we just click on make app. So you can see, as simple as that, the system is making our app, is making the Android version of this app. So let's wait for a few minutes. It says your app is now being built online. This may take a quick minute. Now let's wait for it. Now it says boom, done. All right, so now we need to just finish up this by selecting the app category. So what category does your app belong to? In my own case, since it's an e-commerce website, I will just select, let's see, you can select business, or you can select, what can we select here? Let's see, products. Productivity is here. No, I think, yeah, we can go with shopping. Shopping, since people will come and make orders, of course we can go with shopping. Then describe your app. So here I'll just give it something like egg dojo is one of the best online egg delivery platform in the city. Okay, I'll not restrict this to Kano, so I'll just give it in Nigeria. Egg Dojo is one of the best online egg delivery platform in Nigeria. Okay, so I think this is great. So I'll just click on OK. Alright, and guys, that is it. Now how do we download this app? Okay, now just come to this, click on this icon here. Then you see we have app info, app homepage, install, edit app, then you have download button, right? So just click on download, then download for free. You can see we have what? Download for free. So I'll just click on download all file zip. So this is the zip file. So when you click on this, it's going to download the zip file of your app. So I've clicked on it. You can see the app is downloading. Okay, so let's wait for it for a while. It just needs a couple of minutes to get downloaded. Wow, it's almost done. Just few minutes to go, few seconds to go. Okay, 5.6 megabytes. Okay, you can see it's done downloading. So I'll just navigate to my downloads file. This is it, downloads. So you can see this is this is the zip file. So I'll just copy it from here. I'll just click on copy, then I'll take it to desktop. I'll just right click and create a new folder. I'll just make it mobile. I'll name it mobile app. In this mobile app folder, that is where I'll drop the zip file. Then I'll extract the zip file here. So I'll just go to what? Extract here. I'll click on extract here to get the file extracted. So you can see all the files that are the content of the zip folder. I'll delete this. I don't need it anymore because of. So just go to, there's no need to delete it. Just go to a folder called Android. Click on it. So you can see you're going to see bunch of files here. The one we're interested in is the one that says app-release.apk. So this is the apk file. Okay, this is the apk file that you send to users to install. So you can copy this and share it to people, share it maybe via WhatsApp, or let me just send this. So I'll just hit Ctrl V. So you can share this. You can share this particular file on WhatsApp. So that people can easily get it downloaded and installed on their phone. So I'll go to desktop. Yeah, here's the mobile app. Yeah, mobile app, Android. There you have the apk file. Where's the apk file? App release apk. Yes. So just click on open. Yeah, but I think my system is a little bit slow. Okay, I encountered this a lot. Alright, so I think my network is yeah. Alright, so I'll just click on send. So you can see app release dot what apk. So this is the apk file that I need to share to people so that they'll install on their mobile phone to have a better view, to have the um, mobile or Android version of your site on their devices. So how can you easily share this? You can actually upload this apk file in your Google Drive, then you share the link for people to get it downloaded. As simple as that. Okay, so that is it, guys. So that is how easy it is to convert a full functional website from into mobile applications. So in case you got value in this tutorial, you can equally share it to your friends and loved ones so that they can also benefit, from this tutorial. So that will be it, guys. Thank you so much, for watching. See you in our next video. Okay, bye.